You are going to love the 2024 Transit Wagon. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.